Big win sa inyo, tonight na kayo.
Ayun, sobrang importante nung pag-ibig namin talaga. Kasi, yun nga, natalo kami yun, mas ulubog kami, mas mahihirapan kami. So, yun, we're lucky. And we're grateful na nanalo kami yun and we have Benny.
Nabanggit mo na si Benny, kamusta ulit yung dynamic with him into again?
His first game, pero kita naman natin talaga, binigay na talaga yung best niya to get the win. Ayan, we're happy.
CJ kasi yung last basketball kanina for the eventual scoreline. Officially, 5,000 points club. Masabi mo na to.
Ilang taong ko ba ngayon? 7 years. I'm honored and grateful na nakarating ako doon. And we know naman na since rookie year ko, I'm a scorer. So, I'm happy na umabot ako.
Was it something na aware ka entering this game and medyo may gigil ba kasi medyo nag-struggle ka from the field?
Actually, struggle talaga today. Parang medyo may gigil. Kasi yun na, kailangan namin manalo. But, yeah. Hindi naman ako na-pressure dun sa 5K. Talagang just play our game.
Hindi mo, dahil si Benny nandito na kasi the past year, struggling kayo talaga makahanap ng import na talagang fit sa iyo. Do you think Benny, masasok na yan?
I think yun yung na nakawalang passion sa team namin. Every import conference talaga na ilako nag-fit talaga sa San Miguel. Ayun, I think Benny is the answer sa struggle ng team namin.
Okay, thank you.